Create, validate, and approve employee leave with real-time balance control. Employee leave management is accessed through the Staff module, serving as the central workspace for workforce administration. Opening the Employee Leave area loads the consolidated attendance and leave registry. The overview displays all leave requests, with their current approval states in one view. Starting a new entry opens the standardized leave request workflow. Assigning the company context routes the request to the correct processing entity. Selecting the absence category supports accurate classification and reporting. Adding contextual justification prepares the request for efficient review. Defining the leave type automatically validates eligibility against the current balance. Supporting documentation is attached to strengthen request verification. Submitting the request triggers automated validation and approval routing. The system updates leave balances and refreshes the request status in real time. Opening the record exposes the full audit trail, including approvals and decision history. Edit access enables controlled adjustments while preserving system-wide data integrity. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.